Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timer on the application of Teams. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Teams like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Teams, Microsoft Teams like this, and then you can Microsoft Teams, and then you can update your app if you will find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.